everybody, welcome to A Crafter's Story. It's Celeste here and thank you for stopping by. So I've received another package for the Swap and Glue prompt hosted by Jovi at Creating with Jovi, and this comes from Niva, and I don't know if she has a YouTube channel, but I have asked, and if she does I'll link it to this video. But for now I just want to show you these gorgeous papers she sent me, and there's one in particular that I don't know how to use simply because it's so gorgeous, and I might just hoard it for a little bit, or maybe even photocopy it because it's just so beautiful. I did mention to Ginger that I loved flowers, and boy, she heard me. So the lovely note that came along with this says, "Dear Celeste, I'm sorry this is getting to you so late." Don't worry about that, Ginger. No worries. Thank you so much for being my swap partner. Thank you for being my swap partner. I hope what I have picked out will give you a creative time. Best wishes, Ginger. Oh, okay. She says, I do not have a YouTube channel yet. I will go to yours and subscribe. Thank you so much, Ginger. And so I did actually ask her the question, but she's answered it here. So I'm going to just, this is beautiful paper too. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Oh, you can't because I took it off camera. Look at that. That's so pretty. All right, let me pull these out and show you all these gorgeous papers that she sent to me. And this folder is lovely too. I'm definitely going to use this folder again. It's very well constructed. She's got some masking tape, and she's taken, I think, like some cardstock, and then secured two pieces to make a folder with some masking tape, which is really nice because that's very helpful to keep all my little bits and pieces of paper together. So there was this lovely little envelope called Nice Life, a little angel on it, and she's added a bunch of little goodies in here. Embrace change. I struggle with that. I'm a creature of habit. And these lovely little stickers, these pretty little papers. Oh, lovely, lovely. Oh, that's pretty, really lovely vintagey papers. My challenge. And these cute little papers, they are just so nice. I often like to put some of these on the corner of pages, or maybe just sort of along, oh, those are nice, along the side of a page, and these run along the same theme. Very pretty, Ginger. Thank you. Now this page, I'm telling you, the first time I saw it, I was like, oh, oh my gosh, it's just so pretty. So pretty. I can't bear the idea of cutting this up. I'm going to keep it, maybe photocopy it. It's just so pretty. I'm going to put that one aside. And then lots of lovely, what I liked about this is there were so many lovely sentiments that I can use. And there's I would say a dance theme in these papers. How does somebody do that? I would be a pretzel if I tried something like this. I'd have to go to hospital and get unpretzeled. Look at all. This is lovely. I like those colors. I like bright colors. All these lovely little ballerinas with their stunning poses. They're definitely going to be lovely in a collage. I love, oh, so pretty. Oh, I could live on a farm. I really could. I would love it. Oh, just the peace and the quiet. I know it's hard work, but just the peace and the quiet would be amazing. This is a really interesting page, and just obviously I don't know what any of this says, but it's a very interesting page. I just like it. I like grays, so really pretty. Okay, lots and lots of lovely pages, guys. So this is the page I think I'm going to use as a background. So I will put it one side, and then I kind of liked all of this because there's a message here that I think I can use. And lots more. See the world your way. I think we are all individual. Okay, so I'm going to go and do some cutting. Come back and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Okay, so I think I have an idea of what I want to do with this. So I've put down a little bit of orange paint and put down this little embellishment as the sun. I'm going to pretend that that's my sun. And I'm going to put down some gel medium because I want to get my sentiment down here. I've decided that this is going to be more of a, I suppose, sentiment rich collage. And I cut out these little, they're like little books, book pages, but they have a word. I'm going to put you may not know your vision until, let's get those down. So that's part of the message. You may not know your vision until. Then I'm going to put down this lovely little frame, sort of in the, over here, and then add to the message inside it. Get that down, like so. Part of the fun as I'm paging through these pages is just finding what I want to do. Let me get my message correct. You may not know your vision until you discover your best self. So let me, I think, spread it out a little more evenly, like, that one's already stuck. No, come down. Okay, it's a little bit, not 100%, but a little bit more evenly spread. And as something that I need to work on, embrace change. I don't know what it is about me. I'm a creature of habit, I suppose. And then I've got this really pretty, where should I put? I think I'll put the butterfly a little higher up, and there, maybe my little, yeah, let's do that. These are, I think, washi stickers. Yep. Get my little rabbit sitting here, like that. And this little butterfly. Oh, what have I done to the wing? Fix the wing, Celeste. Oh, goodness me. I folded it over, and I think, oh, there, I got it. Whew, okay. And let's do that up there. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave it at that, because this is I'm going to treat this like a masterboard, I think. And so keep it so that I can later on maybe photocopy it and make it into the front of a greeting card. But just having it, oh, I need to get these done. Having this message on here is a reminder to me as well. So 2 in 1. I get to craft, I get to collage. 3 in 1. I get to craft, collage, and remind myself of something really important. So yeah, we'll do a little flyby. You may not know your vision until you discover your best self. Embrace change. Well, there you go, guys. Thank you so much to Jovi once again for this prompt, where we all get to share our papers and our ideas. And of course to Ginger for sending me all this incredible collage material. It's been so much fun. Thank you so much for sticking around with me to the end, and I'll see you next time. Bye.